Oh, don't mind me. Excuse the mess. I know I can get this little purple thing in there. Yeah, I did it. Ugh, if I can pick this thing up. Yes, I am great. Now let's play some birdie ball. Oh yeah. I knocked it across the floor. I got the ball in my mouth. Oh well, I have nothing else to do but roll this ball around here. Hello, can someone get me out of here? Oh well, this is actually pretty fun. Roly, roly, little ball. I wonder which way you will fall. Oh no, it's stuck. All right. Oh no, I lost it. If I can just get it. Wow, made another one. Subscribe everyone. Thanks.